Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best home decor products available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Greenco Tier Corner Shelf. These corner shelves are functional and attractive alike. These shelves will look great in any room and are an ideal choice for kitchens, living rooms, bedrooms, bathrooms, offices, etc. The 5-tier wall mount corner shelves are lightweight yet sturdy. They made of durable MDF laminate and will hold up to 11 pounds. It's easy to mount and comes with all necessary mounting hardware. It is a great decorative solution for challenging wall spaces or for dorm rooms. It is great for storing spice bottles and dishes in the kitchen, or using the shelves in the bathroom for toiletries and towels. At number 6 we have Homecor Decor. At night and rustic home decor of the house, the surround of the starry sky and the tweet of insects. You can enjoy the soothing lights. This graceful white peony and eucalypt leaves are simple, stylish and European in flavor. Mason jar lights comes with features 6 hours timing and remote control function. It will be automatically turned on and off every day, saving your time and effort. It has 8 different lighting modes. There is always a mode that suits your mood. Nice household decoration as each one is unique and also a perfect decor gift for your friends, lovers, anyone you want to give. As wall decor, living room, bedroom decor, dorm room decor, farmhouse decor, cafes, bars, bistros, bakeries, etc. At number 5 we have Besuerte decor. Each piece of the mason jar decorations is handmade, distressed and unique. So not two wooden boards look exactly the same. It create warmth and ambience with farmhouse mason jar wall sconces fitted with LED fair lights from Besuerte. You can bring this rustic elegance into your home with these beautiful hanging mason jar sconces. The light will stay on 6 hours and it will go off for 18 hours. And then it will come on again at the same time next day for another 6 hours. It will keep repeating this process until you change the batteries or the batteries ran out of power. They also look amazing, highlighted by the soft LED lights floating just below. Number 4 we have Dare Rose Decor. You will get 3 packs faux plants. The small fake plant measures approximately 9.5 inches tall. The paper pulp pot approximately 3.65 inches tall wide. This mini potted artificial plants have eucalyptus leaves that are made of plastic. The pot is made of good paper pulp. The lifelike desk plants can bring green life and freshness to your living space. It has a unique design to imitate the frosty gray-green leaves of eucalyptus, and flock the surface of each potted plant. The gray-green leaves make them look more realistic, which is not dust. You can just occasionally wipe it gently with a damp cloth. At number 3 we have Graceful Decor. This product is more convenient to operate by switch control. No need to clean the dripping wax or deal with fire in case of accident. This beautiful gray glass candles comes with real wax, are very classy and gives a romantic glow to any room. They are really very attractive whether lit up or not, and the glass candle set looks elegant and cozy for home decoration. In addition to feeling warm ambient, you can also control them intelligently. You will receive a 10-key remote control to all candles. There is absolutely no fire or burning danger and it is safe for families with pets or young child. You can have perfect ambient evenings with peace of mind. At number 2 we have Excella Decor. It is printed on high-quality MDF wood. It create a great accent for any home. The circular sign is the perfect touch of farmhouse and rustic decor. These signs come with a burlap wreaths for easy hanging and are sealed for protection. And keep your front door seasonal and stylish with this decorative door sign hanger. At number 1 we have Potty Decor. This macrame boho decor hanging shelf brings green plants into your living space and decorates your home life. It is suitable for small plants, flower pots, succulents and creeping plants. You can make the house, bathroom, terrace and kitchen full of life. The wall plant shelf set have 2 shelves and 2 hooks. These planks are made of pine, a lightweight sturdy solid wood. In addition to placing plants, these hanging shelves are also perfect for storage and decoration, such as placing collectibles, photo frames, alarm clocks, candles, towels, cosmetics or anything else you want to display. This hanging plant holder is a cute gift for your friends or family who is a plant enthusiast or boho decorations lover. It's also a great housewarming gift or holiday gift. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best home decor products for your need.